Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1999 Nissan Maxima. This casting is by Hot Wheels from Silver Series and part of Fast and Furious. It looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 99 Nissan Maxima out of its box. Now we're going to start from the front. So in the front you've got some nice details. You got painted headlamp, you got Nissan badge, you got some good details in the lower bumper. So you can see both the mirrors and windshield wipers. So a lot of good details in the front. So Silver Series, we expect that. Now, something that's different, I will show you when you go to the side. Obviously the paint is really cool. You got blue paint with those nice design, and you also got those nice looking 5-spoke wheels which look really good. You got Toyo tires and looks like the running lamps. Something which is very different, which I don't think I've seen on Hot Wheels normally. If you look at the side glass here, so all the B pillars, like B pillar, C pillar, trims, everything is part of the glass, and which from some angles looks a bit odd, especially because it's tinted and looks a bit thick. I haven't seen a 99 Maxima, so it might be like that. I'll have to cross check, but it looks a bit weird, looks a bit different. Apart from that, you have number 2 written on the side. Everything else looks really normal. Going to the back, good details in the back. You got detailed tail lamp, very different rear end. I think it's from 90s, that's why I've never seen a Maxima before, like 90s Maxima. This is my first hand experience. You got a small spoiler on the trunk, single exhaust tip at the bottom, place for a number plate, and rear window, very different shape, slightly curved on the bottom. Very different, something different from 90s. Normally they are like very straight, very rectangular. Passenger side looks almost identical. Don't really see any differences. I don't think I've noticed the fuel filter on either side. Maybe it's somewhere tucked under the crazy paint. Might be. Apart from that, so this is how it looks from the top. No sunroof or anything. Interior seems to be finished in black. Can't really figure out because of the tint. On the bottom, there are some details, not a lot of details, and it's a metal base, not a plastic one. So I think sometimes when the Silver Series is based off of the premium one, they end up having metal bases. But if it's based off of a mainline, they stuck with the plastic base. Now overall, I think it's a good looking casting. I don't know about this part, but apart from that, the paint and details, everything looks really good. And if you're a Fast and Furious fan, you're definitely gonna like this. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.